My friends, the time has come. Today we're deep cleaning the salon. I have been hearing through the grapevine that State Board is making their rounds. So I have really been needing to deep clean my space anyway, but especially now knowing that we're about to get graded on how clean everything is, today's the day. I quite literally don't even know where I want to begin. Okay, so I figured that we would start with my products. They kind of end up getting just like thrown on the shelf over here because I put them up there while I'm styling, and then I just kind of keep my go-tos out all day long, but I really want to get them all cleaned up and put back in their homes. Ow. So I keep all of my working products and my extra back bar in this cabinet down here. I'm gonna move everything that is my working products. I keep it all on the right side, and then all of my back bar stuff on the left. So we're gonna put this away and restock my retail at the same time. Okay, so we are low on Olaplex shampoo, conditioner, dry shampoo leave-in, dry shampoo. Oh God. Definitely gonna need to do a Olaplex restock soon. I am so stocked up on clarifying shampoo and nothing else. I'm like out of absolutely everything. Whenever I'm doing a restock, I like to pull the old products forward and then put the newer ones behind it. So when I'm handing them out to my clients, I'm making sure that I'm not holding on to something for 2 years. I'm out of leave-in, so I'm just gonna bring all of this forward. And then we need another number 9 and another number 6. I don't know if y'all feel like this, but whenever I am doing something, if I'm cleaning or organizing, it always sends me on like a spiral of a list of like, okay, now I need to do this. So now I'm already distracted. Like, I want to go ahead and place my next Olaplex order, but we're going to finish the room first. We'll circle back to that. I think next we're going to go ahead and go through my color cabinet. I did a cleanup of this not too long ago, so it's not terrible, but we'll just go ahead and give it a little organizing while we're here. Side note, look at my cute little bag. I just got it from TJ Maxx. It's all strawberry themed for summer. So whenever I clean, I like to just kind of pull everything out and then reorganize. I don't think I'm gonna do all of that right now because it's not that bad. So my Faction 8 boxes, I'm just going to kind of slide back into their places. And then we have high-speed toners on the other side. Those look pretty good too. Now something that I do wanna do down here, I am officially going back to Redken shades. I was using Schwarzkopf Agora Vibrance. Maybe I was dumb. I did not know that Agora Vibrance was an alkaline demi. I just assumed they were acidic, and maybe that's on me. I had no idea. And when I was trying to remove Agora from my own hair, it was really, really hard to get out. So that made me want to switch back to Redken shades. I feel like no matter what, I've used shades off and on through my entire career, and I will always end up going back to them. I really should. This time is the last time. I'm staying with them from now on. So I don't know what I want to do with this. I thought about doing a shade trade at Salon Centric. I also thought about just hanging on to them and using them eventually. I'm not sure. Let's just start with the semis and see how we're feeling after. So with my semis, I like to have them organized in Roy G. Biv order. And then I have like back stock behind all of these. So these we might actually have to pull out. We're just gonna commit. We're gonna pull all these out. So let's start with blues, greens. I have another client coming in today too. So I was like, let me make sure that we're not about to overlap our time here. We're gonna put our pinks at the top. Pinks and reds I tend to kind of group together. Oops. If y'all need a protein shake recommendation, these Fairlife ones are my go-tos for the salon. They have 42 grams of protein. It's wild. Now that I'm seeing into the back of my cabinet, I realize I have a lot of color that was either sent to me or I got from hair shows. I might just give these out to the girls in the salon because I know I'm only really going to use Pulp Riot. So I've got some Uberless shades, some Danger Jones, and a few Good Die Youngs. But like, something about me is I just don't like having stuff in here that I know I'm not going to use. I just feel like it's taking up my space. So we're going to see if we can find these a new home. They found their new homes. Bye. So now we're going to start putting everything back in. I think this time I want to start with reds on this side and just Roy G. Biv it over. Red, pink, orange, yellow, green. Oh, my favorite. Okay, then we're into blues. Oh, another favorite. Powder. Isn't that just the best feeling? Just love to see it. I do really love when they're all set up like in their rainbow order. It's just so fun whenever I'm going to mix a color and I'm like, where should we go? Okay, now we're going to move on to my demi shelf. So it's set up, you know, like permanent and then high speeds, semis, demis, and extra lightener. Developers live at the bottom, but we have to charge the camera. We'll be back. Having to stop to charge the camera was such a letdown because now I don't want to keep doing it. I also found another tube of velvet and I'm just gonna, like we're going to just take all these out and just see what's back there. I really don't know what I want to do with all of these Agora shades still, so I'm just gonna keep hanging on to them until I decide. Okay, so we've got a bag of clay lightener, got a bag of powder lightener, some secrets from Pulp Riot. Whenever I am like testing out new shades, this is what they come in. This is what the tubes look like before they get in all of their pretty packaging. So stay tuned for June and you'll see what is in these. We've got some bags of blank canvas, a little sample of Blonde Me. I'm gonna give this to one of my girls that uses Schwarzkopf, and a little to-go satchel of Blonde AF. And then in this whole box down here, I have like a graveyard of liquid demis, which was Pulp Riot's demi-permanent line before it got discontinued. But the kicker here is all of these are 9.3s. Every single one of these. It's not going to focus, but every single one of these are level 9 golds. And I've had these for like 2 years now and they're not opened. So they have an 18-month shelf life when they're open, but they have not been opened. So I just really don't know if I want to hang on to these or like how long they last when they're unopened. I really just don't know. I have such a hard time just throwing away color, and I have been using these and they're still good. Like they still work, but I just don't like having so many of them. I literally have like 40 of them in here. We're just gonna let them sit for today. I'm not gonna do a lot in this cabinet. Everything is just gonna go back in on this shelf at least. Everything was fine. Should we move on to the corner? Okay, the goal for the corner is just to slide everything out. We're gonna give a good little shake out to the rug and sweep all behind it because I know it's gonna be brutal. I don't know if you've ever deep cleaned a salon, but the amount of hair that you find is absolutely insane. Found a little hairbrush back there. Been missing this guy. Oh, and she's dirty. Okay, it is really not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Let me show you. I was really expecting this to be absolutely terrible, but we've seen a lot worse. I don't know whose idea it was to put a rug in the salon, but it's a terrible idea. It was my idea. Oh my God. There is the biggest spider living back here right now. I normally try to save them, but this one looks a little suspicious. Sorry, bud. Yeesh. I think I'm gonna have to pick the chair fully up to get it back in its corner. Because if I just try to slide it, it's gonna get stuck on the rug. Oh no. Look at how pretty that is over there now. So pretty, so clean. So this is the last section that I wanted to tackle today. I don't think it's gonna be that hard. It's really just getting the mannequins put back on their shelves. That stuff in the corner over there is like a projector, all of my mannequin stands, tripods, blah, blah, blah. So all of that's gonna stay, but the gym clothes have to go. And this could be a little better. So in this very back corner, I have all of my bags that I get from brands and shows. So Olaplex backpack, got a bunch of little like Pulp Riot bags, Salon Centric bags, literally everything. So I'm just going to grab one of these to pack up my gym clothes. This one I got from one of our Pulp Riot trainings. They had people there actually graffitiing our bags for us, and I chose the color because we also did aura readings there, and my aura was like this reddish pink color, and now she's a gym bag. This wig I really don't know what to do with. I used it to film some UGC for Pulp about our new natural semi collection, but the quality of this wig is not super great. And I like the color that I did with it, but just the hair being more cheap. She doesn't feel good. I wonder if I might just toss her. I think I'm just gonna toss it. Chips we'll put in the back for a little snack later. And then really, I would just be happy if we had these straight. Every once in a while, I do like to go through my mannequins and throw out the ones that I feel like I'm not actually going to use again. But today is not that day. Okay, so here is the room after we did our deep clean. Shelves nice and organized. No more clutter up there. Retail, we still need to like restock some of these, but I'm just like out of everything. So we'll do a little order. We'll finish the restock later. My little sitting corner, nice and clean. No more spiders or clumps of dust behind her. And this area is my storage. You know, I really want to get one of those trifold things to go across here. So if you're sitting in my chair, you can't see all of this living back here, but I'm still looking for the perfect one. We'll find it. Okay, so I'm feeling happy with where the room is now. There's always more that we could do, but we did pretty good today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me while I did a little deep clean in the salon. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you have to deep clean your space like this too, or if you're a little bit better at just keeping it organized as you go. I am so type B, literally the worst. But thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.